Now, kids, remember, add to pizza toppings to your pizza, like pepperoni, and count with me. 1 pepperoni, 2 pepperoni, 3 pepperoni, 4 pepperoni, 5 pepperonis, 6 pepperonis, all together. Now, for the more toppings. One of these things is not like the others. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which one is not like the other before I finish my song? Okay, there's lots of toppings and a toy to this pizza. So, we have some peppers and some pineapple and a duck. They're all colors. They all have different colors. But if you take a closer look, one of them has eyes. So, which one is not like the other? The duck? How come? Yeah? Yeah? That's right. Yeah, the duck doesn't belong. The duck is not like the others. Bye-bye, duck. Now, let's add them to the pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6 slices of pineapple. There we go, kids. Looks beautiful, doesn't it?